Hello class, good morning. Today, our topic is adding and subtracting mixed numbers. To add or subtract mixed numbers, add or subtract their whole part and their fraction parts separately. Then put together the sum or the difference of the fraction parts and the whole parts. Simplify the result whenever possible. For example, 25 and 3/6 plus 13 and 1/6. So as you can see, their denominator is equal. So just add the whole number 25 plus 13, the answer is 38. Then add the numerator 3 plus 1, the answer is 4. Then add or copy the common denominator which is 6. So the answer is 38 over and 4/6. Another example, 25 and 7/8 minus 14 and 3/6. Since their denominator are not equal, we will convert these fractions into similar fraction by getting their least common multiple. So 8, 16, 24, multiples of 8, 6, 12, 18, 24. So the least common multiple of 8 and 6 is 24. Now we will change the denominator of these two fractions into 24. 24, then 24. 24 divided by 8 times 7, the answer is 21. Very good. Next, 24 divided by 6, the answer is 12. This is subtraction. Okay. Now, we will subtract 21 minus 12, the answer is 9. Then copy the common denominator which is 24. So we subtract first their fraction part, then now we will subtract the whole number. 25 minus 14, the answer is 11. So the answer is 11 and 9/24, or we can simplify this fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 3 divided by 9, the answer is 3. Then 24 divided by 3, the answer is 8. 11 and 9/24, or 11 and 3/8. Next, 2 and 2/5 minus 1 and 4/5. Can we subtract the numerator? Of course no, because the numerator of the subtrahend is bigger than the numerator of the minuend. So we will convert 1 part of 2 into fraction. So since the denominator of the fraction is 5, so we will just make, so from 2, we will subtract 1. So what's left is 1. Then, this 1 part will be converted into fraction. Since the denominator is 5, we will just copy 5 and over 5. Because 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So when we convert this 1 and 5/5, the answer is, and it is equal to 2. Then we copy 2/5. So we add 2/5 to 5/5. So 2 and 2/5 will become, add the numerator 7 and copy the common denominator which is 5. Then subtract 1 and 4/5. Now let's subtract it. 1 minus 1, the answer is 0. 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. And copy the common denominator of the fraction part, which is 5. So the answer or the difference of 2 and 2/5 minus 1 and 4/5 is 3/5. For example, Marilu, Joy, and Vicky donated 30 kg of rice for the calamity victims. Marilu and Joy donated 8 and 3/4 and 12 and 1/2 kg of rice respectively. How many kilograms of rice did Vicky donate? The three girls donated 30 kg. Marilu donated 8 and 3/4, Joy 12 and 1/2. How about Vicky? So, if we write it in mathematical expression, this can be written as 30 minus Marilu, which is 8 and 3/4, plus 12 and 1/2 from Joy. Okay, so 30 minus 8 and 3/4 plus 12 and 1/2. Let's solve first the addition part. Since their denominator are not equal, we will convert it into similar fraction using least common multiple. So multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36. So their least common multiple is 12. Now, let's change these fractions into similar fraction. So the denominator is 12 and 12. 12 divided by 4, the answer is times 3, 9. Then 12 divided by 12 times 1, the answer is 1. So let's copy the whole number. 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12, the answer is 20. 9 plus 1, 10 over 12. Now, let's proceed in subtraction. Since the sum of this is 20 and 10, 12, then let's subtract it from 30. So we will convert one part of 30 into fractions, 29. So 29, then the fraction. Considering that the denominator of this mixed number is 12, so let's use 12 as the denominator. So what numerator should we use so that this fraction would be equal to 1? Very good. It must be 12 also, because 12 over 12 is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 29 is equal to 30. Now, let's subtract. 29 minus 20, the answer is 9. 12 minus 10, the answer is 2. And copy the common denominator, which is 12. So the answer of 30 minus 8 and 3/4 plus 12 and 1/2 is equal to 9 and 2/12. What if the fraction part of the mixed number is improper fraction, just like this one? We need to convert it into mixed number, then later on we just add 3. So the mixed number of if we convert 18 over 7 into mixed number, the answer is 2 and 4, 7. And now we will add the whole number, which is 3. So 2 and 4, 7 plus 3. 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. Then copy 4, 7. So the simplified form of 3 and 18, 7 is 5 and 4, 7. For your activity, answer practice B, C, and D on page 20. Take a photo of your answer. Send your answer via private message. Deadline August 28,